What's up, y'all? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sprite in Shooting Game Builder. Let's go. First thing you got to do, you go over here to the Sprite tab, and you go to New, and what will pop up will be New Title, which will be for our sprite. And next thing you do is you open up New Title, okay? Then you give it a name. I strongly recommend giving it a name. Where we're going to put is My Ship. My Ship. And be sure to do that with all your sprites. Name all of your sprites. And you can also place a category if you feel like it. Over here are your different banks where you can put image files in. Over here is our pattern list. Down here is where Hitbox and Hurtboxes information will be displayed, and on this tab will be for animations. We'll get into animations a little later in a different video. Or maybe in this video. We'll see how far that we go. So next thing we're going to do is go to image file area, click on the 3 dot tabs right here. And right here is my area, or my last folder where I have my SBD files. What we're actually going to do is I'm going to go back and we're going to load up the sprites that are already in the game. So I'll see you when I get to that specific folder. All right, so now we're at the folder SB_beta_50. It may be a different number for you because I'm using beta 50 right now. And what we have to do is we have to find where the sprites are. So are they in save data? No, they're not. Document. Okay. PNG. Are they there? Nope. They're not there. About tutorial. Okay. Resource. Here we go. I think this is where the files are for the sample game. Let's see if I can expand the icons so we can see them. Oh, okay, here we go. So this is the sprites, the music files for the test game that is in Shooting Game Builder. We'll look at that a little later, but it's almost we're kind of going to almost build this test game from scratch. So what we're going to do is go right here and select this file. Go to open. And here we are. We have our bitmap file. And if you use your mouse wheel, you can scroll in and out. If you, if you right click on the sprite, you can move it around and stuff like that. Thankfully, the background is in one solid color. Make sure you have that for all your sprites. We're going to go to color key. Now, what we have to do is that we have to set this color to match the color of the background before it can be transparent. And you have to do that if it's a different color or whatever color, just for the builder to recognize that it's a transparent color. So what we have to do is got to change this. All right, try to change this into the correct color. Put 255. Put 255 here. There we go. We have the color. Now, I was trying to actually type in here, and it seems that I can't. I seem like I can't type in this box for some reason, but it's okay. But yeah, we have the color right here. And be sure to remember, if you're using a different color for the background, that you get the ARGB value and just put it in right here. But for right now, for some reason, I can't type in this area. And I'm trying to figure out how to type into it. Yeah, I can't do it, but it's okay. So we're going to decide. And guess what? It's all gone. That like pinkish color is all gone. Now, the background color, it is gray. You can change it to a different color in the editor settings. Okay. You can change it to a totally different color. We're not going to mess with that right now, but if you want to, you can do so. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually make patterns out of all of these sprites on this bitmap file. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to do one of them, and then I'm going to have to like do the other ones some other time, because it kind of takes a little bit of a while to get it going. So first we're going to go to add, and you see right here it has a square shape. What we want to do is we want to make that square shape go over to the right. So and also this is bank 0. If we were on a different bank, we have to put in bank 1, 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, or whatever number. So to push it to the side, put 100, that's too much. Put 50, that's kind of all right. Next thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to make it a little wider. So let's give it a value of 40. Let's try 45. Try 46. Okay, I think that might work. And let's make it a little long. Increase the height. Ooh, and also let's go right on in and make sure that it's correct. Maybe I need to make it a little less wide, maybe by 1 little pixel or something like that. Maybe 45 will work. Okay, that works right there. And also, we need to set the collision boxes. So this is for attack, and this is for the hurt box, meaning when objects and bullets come towards you, when it hits that box, it will cause you to lose life or lose a life in the game, or HP, whichever that you may set. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to put it in the middle. I'm not going to do anything too drastic, so I'm gonna put, try 5. Let's try 0. Okay, 5 0 doesn't work. -5. Try -10. Try -7. Okay. Then I want it lowered a little bit. Let's try 10. Okay. -5. Okay. That works. Probably a little big, but it's okay. And also, if you want to copy and paste what you have here, you highlight over it, press Control-C on your keyboard. Then you highlight the other part, and you press Control-V, and boom. Now we have the attack and the hurt box or defense box right on top of each other. Also, just to let you know, right here, X center and Y center, this is for rotation and scaling. Okay, this lets you the builder know, okay, at what point is the center of this sprite. Now you see it's kind of yeah, it moved a little bit on the left. I'm gonna move it back to where it is. That way I won't tamper with it too much. But yeah, that lets you know the center of the sprite. And guess what? That is actually it. We're done. I'll show you how to make an animation in the next video. So check that out if you see it on the screen, and I will see you in that video.